Think you're doing push-ups right? Most people don't even realize that their hands are too far forward. And that small mistake can wreck the shoulders over time. Look closely. This is the trap almost everyone falls into when they rush through reps. Notice the hips sagging here? That's not strength at all, it's just loading the lower back with pressure. Keep your core tight, squeeze the abs, and hold your body straight like a board. Don't let it collapse, your back will thank you. Half reps might feel easier, but they're nothing more than fake progress. When you only go halfway down, you miss the power and muscle activation your chest and arms need. Full range of motion is where the real gains are hiding. Here's the fix. Set your hands just a little wider than your shoulders and lock them down like anchors. Now watch what happens. The chest and triceps light up, and suddenly the push-up feels smoother, stronger and more controlled. Your body should move like one solid steel beam, from head to heel without bending or arching. No sagging hips, no high peaks. Imagine you're a skyscraper foundation. If it wobbles, everything above crashes. Lock that core tight and keep the line straight. Chicken wings out wide? That's a recipe for shoulder pain. Instead, tuck your elbows to about 45 degrees. It feels tighter, but it's safer, stronger, and it targets the chest exactly where it should. This little detail makes all the difference. Look at the head drop, instant neck strain waiting to happen. Now see the correction, eyes looking slightly forward, spine aligned, and everything feels smoother. That tiny adjustment unlocks proper posture and saves your neck from unnecessary stress. Don't dive forward with your head, always lead with your chest. Lower yourself with control, chest first toward the floor, then press back up with power. Every rep should feel like a controlled glide, not a crash landing. Want next level stability? Screw your palms into the ground like you're twisting open a heavy jar. This simple action fires up your lats and locks in the shoulders. Suddenly the push-up feels rock solid, like your body is bolted to the floor. This is it, the flawless push-up. Core braced, elbows tucked, chest leading, and shoulders engaged. Try 10 slow, perfect reps like this right now. Feel the difference in control, strength, and power. That's the push-up you should own.